gather together, there is a magic, a potency, a medicine that can be adhered here. Place your hands on your heart. Feel your heart beating in your hands. This is where we kind of reclaim our freedom, you know, our freedom of expression, our freedom of authenticity. We reclaim our innocence. That's right. The things that we experienced that were traumatic a lot of times tainted our perception of the world or the people around us, or I can't trust anybody, everybody's out to hurt me. And so we're reclaiming that because we should feel safe in the world. We should feel loved in the world. We should feel empowered in the world. Right? We come into this world fully ready to embrace the journey of life. And now on your next exhale, I want you to exhale out through the mouth with a sigh. Inhale in, hold the breath, focus on the third eye. And release. That golden light expanding beyond your physical body and into the room. And as you exhale out with that sigh, just feel the tension beginning to relax in your jaw and your shoulders. Screaming and hollering and stuff like that. So that is, you know, to some people it's like, why would I do that? But it's healing, that's why, you know, and so. But being fully present in a state of witness at the magic we have created here in this space.